Good day, friend. Trust you are well. We all have challenges. We all are in a place that there is a challenge on some area of our lives. Maybe you are a business person and you are neglecting your wealth or your family. Maybe you're without work. Maybe you are spending so much time on your physical side in the gym that you're also neglecting your finances. Maybe you're spending so much time on your spiritual side. And this is why I created the book Freedom Through Wealth Creation. And this is not just a book, it's a roadmap. If you're in business, we are all in the business of creating opportunities, building networks wherever you go, and growing wealth. But true success starts with a right mindset, strategy, and action plan in every area of your life. And that is exactly what the book Freedom Through Wealth Creation gives you. It's not just another self-help book. It's a proven roadmap to financial and personal freedom. So this is not just for business people, it is for everyone. It covers everything from goal setting and mindset mastery to financial strategies and network success. Why is this a must read for you? Okay, so as entrepreneurs, as business people, as normal people, as networkers, we are all networkers somewhere standing at a party or a funeral or any other place, a business meeting, you network and you talk to other people. And we know that success doesn't happen by chance, it happens by choice. Okay, in this chapters, there's a lot of chapters in this book. And I can't spend now a lot of time on that, but you will see uh, in that there lies the real magic in this book. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom in every area of your life. Your spiritual freedom. I touch on aligning your success with your purpose, your mindset mastery, breaking that limited beliefs and stepping into abundance. Your health and your energy, because wealth means nothing without the vitality to enjoy it. Your financial intelligence, how to earn, how to invest, how to multiply your money on your career, on your business side, how to build powerful networks that keeps growing and generate income, how to attract, not chase the right people, the secret of duplication, scaling your business so you work less and earn more, power of passive income, why you should be building a system, not just making sales, and family and fun and friends, creating a lifestyle where you have time and money to enjoy what matters most. So, if you are serious about winning in business and life, this book is your guide. Invest in yourself, invest in your future. Grab your copy today and let's build wealth and freedom together. Click on the link below and get your copy, free delivery in South Africa. Have a great day. Be blessed.